Sonia and I create lifestyle and beauty videos here on YouTube, and I'm really excited about today's haul because I went shopping at Marshall's again. Love Marshall's because I get to find name brand designer brands for a huge discounted price. This video is not sponsored at all. I just like shopping without busting the budget, okay? So if that is you, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, before we get into this video, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and let's get started. Just to give you a body reference, I am about 5'6", 5'7". I don't have a waist very much. My body type is straight. I'm like, I know there's tons of us out there. I know I'm not alone when I am dressing my body type. So that brings me a lot of comfort, and I hope that does for you guys as well, because it doesn't mean you can't look cute, okay? Please, stop. I look real cute when I try. I'm gonna back up and show you a full view of my outfits that I'm putting together. I am gonna be sharing the original prices and also the discounted prices so that you guys can see the big savings with each piece. So I think that's really helpful and pretty exciting. I was kind of sleeping on Marshall's because one of my favorites is TJ Maxx and Home Goods, and if you guys didn't know, I think they're all in cahoots with each other. It's like the same thing. It's like three sisters. They're all cute and you're like, hold up, what? Haven't I seen you before? The answer is yes. First up is this tan jacket from the Northface. I tried this on in a medium, a large, and this is an extra large. I went for an oversized look, perfect for colder weather, and on the inside it's fully lined with this really soft, like teddy bear Sharpay kind of material. I typically don't wear my jackets closed, period, so I would be wearing layers. One of the fun things about this jacket in particular is that it is reversible, so I'm gonna go ahead and reverse it. And now it's got these cool panels, and this is in the color Cedar Brown. And the original price here is $149, and I purchased it at Marshall's for $69.99. Northface. What? Next up is going to be this coat here from Anne Klein. This looks similar to like a blazer, but it's a sweater, so it's lightweight. You can definitely roll up the sleeves. There are some button details here. It does not close. It's meant to be worn open. It's got a nice thick collar as well. And I love the print. It's a beautiful, like dark navy blue with some green details. The Anne Klein price is $149, and I purchased it for $24.99. No brainer, you guys. This is definitely a steal. This is perfect for fall and winter attire. I am obsessed with the material and the color. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna take my earrings out because I don't want them to get caught on anything. Take my hair down. I had it in this little low bun because I'm still trying to learn different ways of styling my hair. Even though I've had my hair cut shorter than this, I just feel like it's still at a weird length. This is a black knit beanie from Adidas, and it has some gold embroidery here, and this was originally $22 and I purchased it for $12.99. As I am trying things on, let me know in the comment section down below what you think I should keep and what you think I should return. And I also purchased it at the same price in pink, and it has white stitching here in the front. Now they did have black and white stitching. They did have gray and black stitching and white stitching, and I think they also had silver stitching. I gravitated towards the black and the pink. I thought they were really cute. You get that feminine touch with the pink. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Next up, I have this oversized jumper or pullover. This is from a brand called Bershka, B-E-R-S-H-K-A. This was $9.99. I like to have these kinds of basics in my wardrobe because they're always nice to have. You can pair them with literally anything because it's a solid color and it's black. Ugh. But if you're wearing makeup, you have to quickly maneuver your weight out out of your mock neck so you don't get it dirty. Super comfortable. You can also wear this with leggings, just for lounging around the house in cooler weather. So I think it's really cute. So again, one of the unfortunate things about shopping during this worldwide pandemic is that there are tons of rules as far as trying things on, but good thing there's tons of really like nice and understandable companies that will take returns as long as you still have the tags attached, and Marshall's is one of them. Now I'm not sure if I got a size too big, maybe I needed to return it for a smaller size, or just bite the bullet and hope that it shrinks in the wash, because it is a little oversized, I do admit this, but it's so comfortable. What do you guys think? Is it too big or is it just right? The quality is very similar to something that you'd find at Zara, and that's saying a lot because I really love Zara, but sometimes some of their pieces are really expensive and not this one. The next top that I got is this one from Rachel Zoe, and this is in the size medium, and it was $24 and I snagged it for $16.99 on the tag, and then additional clearance markdowns, maybe $10 for this top. Okay, so this is how it looks on. This little cut here in the chest is not deep at all, which I really like because I don't typically wear clothes that are very revealing. Also, you could pair this with some biker shorts or some leggings. It does come down longer here in the front, and then also longer in the back as well. Next up are two pairs of Champion sweats, and the first ones are here in this gray color. They have like a really thick band at the waist, and they've got some pockets here in the front, none in the back. They have the Champion logo here on my pocket. It says compared at $30, I purchased them for 20 bucks, and honestly, I could not pass them up. Every time I see this style with a thick band at the top, I have to get them. Here's another pair of sweats, and like I said, there's a thick band here. These are like almost like high-waisted sweatpants, if there is such thing. I don't know about you guys, but these make me look snatched. And they're sweats. And on these particular sweats, they have this huge C for Champion, or Castaneda, my last name. These are the sweats that I showed you in my last Marshall's try-on haul, where when I tried them on, I practically freaked out here in my bedroom because I regret not grabbing more of them, just because of the size, the cut, everything is just perfect. Like, again, these are like a high-waisted, thick band here. These sweats, I always get so many compliments when I wear them. I have yet to wash them, so that is going to be the biggest test. Honestly, I might even have them dry cleaned because that's how much I love them and I don't want them to get messed up. This is a really cool, unique looking patch here at my thigh as well. That is it for today's try-on haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more content like this and you have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel and join my family. Also, let me know in the comments down below what online stores, because I'm trying to keep it online, stores that you'd like to see in my next haul. And as always, I love you guys. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.